这开好了就不放人家接
安排上吗？
是了。
是了。
谁照这视频倒是赖了他，正好。咱自己推不着人家推。
So excited.
说英文说。
Super excited. My first time to wear an eyelashes.
闭眼。我的天，插不进去，长得矮了。
哇
So beautiful.
1、2、3。
哇
How do you think, guys?
Beautiful.
Very beautiful. Thanks.
Amazing.
哎，好看多了。哎，我拍了个竖屏的。没看。还有点想掉，真的是。
眼小。
很多时间了，这边。
Hello.
说介绍行吗？你说你是谁？
This is one of our most popular eyelashes, and I feel it is so light on my eyes, and I can't even feel weight on my eyes. And
这是 DM06。
yes, this is our 20 lashes.
DM06。
Do you want to try it? Our DM06 lashes. It is made of mink fur and it's rocky free. Yeah, and our glue is so sticky, but it won't hurt our eyes.
可以问他们些问题。什么？我就问是这个。
你的睫毛在断毛吗？Is it soft?
Yes, it is very soft.
这问题多好。
Yes.
How many it can wear? How many times it can use?
You can wear 20 times around, and if the lashes get dirty, you can wash them in the water and dry them with a tissue paper.
Wow.
Yeah, it will show as a new lashes. It is amazing lashes, different from the others.
How much is it?
You can add my WhatsApp. Yeah. My WhatsApp is on my page, on my homepage.
What is your homepage?
My homepage is Lemon Lashes. My IG is LANVINLASHES.
OK, great.
做广告哈，下次叫老板一人打这么一个盒子。
OK。